Hi everybody, welcome to Math 151 for the spring semester. My name is Andy Bloom and I will be the instructor for the course. I just want to take a few minutes and kind of walk you through the process of what you need to do before Friday's class. Okay, we're going to meet 4 times during the semester. We will meet on Friday, February 1st, and then that will just be for an orientation. Then we'll meet 3 more times over the course of the semester, and those will be exam days. Everything else that you do in this class will be online, and I've done everything that I can to try to set you up to be successful in the course. So there's a brief introduction to the course, and I would encourage you to go in and open that up and read through it. In this class, you will be using my math lab, which will cost some money. You have to purchase access to my math lab. If you have taken Math 151 in the past and failed it or withdrew from the class, there are some ways for you to use that membership that you purchased before to be able to continue forward. When you have a course where my math lab is linked through Canvas, the registration is different. So take a few minutes, open up this document and read through. There's a short video in there and a document that shows you how to register for the course when it is linked through Canvas. There is no course ID number for this class. There is a brief syllabus assignment. It's 10 questions. It's mostly true, false, and multiple choice. Open up the syllabus. You can see it if you go to the left side link here. Open that syllabus up, read through it, print it out, have it open on your desktop, look at the syllabus while you're completing the syllabus assignment. Really, I just want to draw your attention to some of the important things that are going on in this class. I took a few minutes and wrote down strategies for success. And then as far as scanning and submitting a document, those are things that you're going to have to be able to do. And we'll talk about that more when I see you on February 1st. Don't worry about the study guide yet. We'll talk about that next week. Unit 1 is open. Class starts on January 28th. That's Monday. Even though we meet on February 1st, there are things that you need to do before we meet on the 1st. Okay, so there are 4 true, false, and multiple choice preview questions for you to look at. I explain the preview questions to you in the syllabus, so go through and look at them. These are not being graded, although you will find out whether you are correct with your answers. The key is I want you to understand what's going to be coming up for the week, and I want you to recognize whether you do or don't need to spend extra time looking at the material. For every one of the preview weeks that you submit, you will get 1 point on the test. So up to 4 points just for completing the preview questions each week. Typically, they will be due on Monday night, but because class starts on Monday, this week they're actually due on Tuesday. Okay, so that is the first thing that you should be completing when you jump into the class. So you can open that up, you can work your way through the quiz, and then move on to the next element of the class. So chapter 1 and the material for you to know from chapter 1. Okay, these are documents for you to read through. You can download and save these PDF files on your computer. You can print them out if you feel like they would be important to see. Here you can click on the link that will get you this document downloaded on your computer. When you see an orange button, this is a link to homework problems. So click on that button. It will take you directly into my math lab and bring you to the homework problems. Okay. As you work through the material, you will see each day's elements, content for the course that you should be aware of and you should be working through. Okay, so there are occasionally videos that show you how to solve problems, how to use the different properties that we're looking at. And again, orange button, homework problems. All right, I will see you on Friday the 1st, and email me if you have any questions.